Hey YouTube, my name is Cristal Garcia and I am a listing broker in southern New Mexico with Exit Realty Horizons. But without losing any more time, let's dive right into the 9 steps on how to sell your home. Step 1, choosing the right broker. Choosing the right broker is crucial, guys, in the sale of your property. After all, it's probably the biggest investment of your life. Real estate agents and brokers, we're not all the same and we don't all work the same way. We each have our own expertise, experience, strategies, level of professionalism, level of integrity, communication styles, and results. Go ahead and interview 2 to 3 agents or brokers when you're trying to list a property and learn what their goals are for you, their marketing strategies, and their knowledge about real estate, and if they have any project management experience. That's always a plus. Step 2, establish a price. If your home is priced at a fair market price, it will attract the largest number of potential buyers, while an overpriced property will attract less number of buyers looking to purchase a home, and your property will sit on the market for longer than you planned for. Majority of home buyers do look at a lot of homes, guys. They look at a lot of homes and they quickly get a feel for the price range that the home sells for with its given condition and location. Now remember and beware, overpricing your home will cost you more money in the long run, and pricing homes too high is the #1 reason why homes stay on the market longer than they really should or don't sell at all. Step 3, prepare your listing. Investing some time and effort up front to prepare your house before it going on the market will generally increase the likelihood of receiving offers soon after you list your home. The longer your home stays on the market, remember, it's harder to sell it. Things like repairs, staging, and cleaning, making it smell nice, will help attract buyers with good offers. For this step, I do recommend you identify all the repairs, declutter your home, depersonalize your home, and paint to neutralize the colors and make your home feel like new again. Step 4, set the stage. Now comes the staging of your home. The goal is to create a great first impression so that your home is put at the top of your buyers' lists. On average, staged homes do sell 88% faster and for 20% more than those that are not staged, according to Realtor.com. Now, you don't need to spend a bunch of money. A few updates here and there can make a room feel new, and you don't have to stage the entire house. Focus on rooms that impress, such as the kitchen, the living room, maybe a master bedroom, master suite, or bathrooms. Don't forget to stage the outside, guys, by keeping your yard tidy. First impressions are crucial, and the appearance of your home's exterior can increase your home's value by up to 17%, according to the study from Texas Tech University. Step 5, photography and listing. Now that your home looks like a model home, get professional photography done. As part of my service, I do provide my customers with the photography, and I try to hire the best here in the industry because photos really do matter. With this, I can prepare the home's description and the marketing material and get your home on the market. Step 6, market your home. Now, 86% of buyers are looking online these days, guys, so it's very important that your agent or broker market your listing online to maximize the exposure of your property. For my sellers, I provide a very robust marketing package that includes a listing on several property selling platforms, different online platforms, 2 different multiple listing services, and obviously social media platforms like YouTube. Now, let's not forget about the other 14% of people that look elsewhere, not online. So ask your agent, what will your agent or broker do for this audience? Make sure you speak with them about this, because if they lack in these areas, your house might be a sitting duck for a while, so be careful. Step 7, review offers. Now, price is just one of the many considerations when deciding which offer is the best for you. Aside from the offer price, You also want to look at contingencies, type of loan, or if it's a cash purchase. Is the buyer pre-qualified if they are purchasing with a loan? You also want to look at any expenses the buyer is requesting for you, the seller, to pay, like inspection fees, title fees, or upfront repair requests. Last but not least, you want to look at the closing time. Will they be closing in 30 days? Will they be closing in 45 days or 60 days? And make sure that whatever you choose works the best for your timeline. Step 8, executory phase. All right, so now you've accepted an offer that you like and you are now under contract. This period is called the executory period or phase. Now inspections, appraisals, and other things that were built into the purchase agreement can take place. Now your agent or broker should be keeping an updated eye on all of these deadlines because there are a lot of deadlines within your contract. And you don't want to be the party that is defaulting because you missed a deadline. There's several deadlines. So make sure that you request a schedule from your agent or broker only for your reference. You shouldn't be the one keeping track. They should be the ones keeping track, keeping these dates on their calendar and staying proactive about them. Step 9, closing. All right, closing is when funds and documents are transferred in order to transfer ownership from you to the buyer of the property. The title officer at the title company or escrow company will look over the contract and find out what payments are owed to who, and they'll prepare documents for the closing, perform the actual closing itself where you will sign everything. They'll make sure all the payoffs are completed, the buyer's title is recorded, and you, the seller, receives what is owed to you from the sale, and it'll go straight to your bank account. That's it, guys. Congratulations. You just graduated the 9 steps on how to sell a home. I hope this video gave you some good information about what to look for and what to expect when you're selling a home. If you have any questions or comments for me, feel free to put them down in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up to like it. And for more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.